Hi friends. So our today topic is intervals, major and minor, sixth and seventh. So you can read here in grade 2 you learn how to tell the difference between major and minor, second and third. For grade 3 you also need to know the difference between major and minor, sixth and seventh. So they have shown the difference between major and minor, sixth and seventh here. One thing they have told here that in a major key there is always an interval of a sixth of a major sixth between first and the sixth degree of the scale. Same applies to the seventh, that in a major key there is always an interval of a major seventh, and in minor it will be a minor, and in seventh it will be minus seven. It will be always there like that. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's straight away go to the exercises. Okay, so let's move to the exercises. So you can see here it says name the following intervals, so we have to just check the intervals. So I told you in my previous videos also that how do I check the intervals. The best way to check the intervals, I use the semitones. So I count the semitones, how many semitones are there. So let's start from here. So you see, and always count from the bottom. If you see over here, okay, when we'll come there, then I'll explain it to you. But always remember one thing, that always count the interval, first count the bottom note. So start from the bottom note first, okay? So this is treble clef and this is our F note, and this note is our D note. So if you see the difference, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is 6 degrees. So this is something major or minor sixth. So how do we find that? So we know that in a major sixth the interval will be of 6 semitones there. Sorry, 9 semitones in a major sixth, and for the minor it will be 6. So if I use this to help you out to understand this one, so you can see that we have to go from F to D. Okay, from F to D, or so if you got, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is 6 degree. Now if you check for a major scale, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 semitones distance. So this is our major 9. So if it would have been a 8, then it should have been a minor. But right now this is our major sixth. Okay. Now next one you can see is lower note is our E note and the higher note is C. So E to C and this is E to C. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is again a sixth interval, either is minor or major. We'll check that. So let's check the count the semitones for that. So we start from E. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this time you see this is 8 semitone interval. So this is a minor sixth. Okay. See friends, if you will always go with the semitones distance, I'm 100% sure that you will always be right. Okay, just try this. I use this formula. If you find something else is easy for yourself, you can choose that, but for me this is the best one. Okay, so next one is our F, and from F to we are going to E. Okay, this is our first E, and so let's see from F to E. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is something seventh interval. Let's count the semitone from F. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So this is our major 7. So our next question is, let's see this one. This one is treble clef and this is D note, and higher note is our C note. So we are going from D to C. So don't see that the first note is higher and the second note is lower. You always, I told you that you should start with the lower note. So from C to D, if we go from C we're going from D to C, sorry, C, because if you go from higher to lower, it's just a major second, but we have to go from down to up. So from D to C if we go, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So that means this is 10 semitones different. So this is our minor seventh. Okay, next one is bass clef. This is second space, so this is C to B. Okay, now let's see from C to B. From C to B, so this is C, we go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So this is our major seventh. Okay, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, now next let's see, this is treble clef and this is our G. So from G to E, so from G to E, so we go G, this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is our major sixth. Major sixth. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes. Now next is, this is our D on D to F A C, C sharp, right? So let's count from D to C sharp. So D to C sharp. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So this is our major seventh. Okay, now next one, the last one we have, this is our G and G to F. Let's count from G to F. So G to F, so we go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is our minor seventh. Minor seventh. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so let's move on to the next page. Okay friends, so this is our next page, and here they're saying name the following grade 3 intervals. So now we have to name the grade 3 intervals over here. But I have checked this exercise, more than grade 3 intervals, they have more intervals showing in this one. So let's cover whatever we have over here. So you can see this one. The first note over here is D, and this is from D to F sharp. Now if we use our keyboard, D to F sharp, so this is third interval. Which one is it, minor or major? We have to check that. So 1 2 3 4. So this is our major third. Major third. Okay, next one we have, this is G and G to B flat. Let's go G to B flat. So 1 2 3. So this is one semitone lower than the major one. So this is minor third. Okay, now let's do the next one. This is our E and this is our D. So E to D, let's count from E to D. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is minor seventh. Okay, now let's do this one. This is our B flat. 2, we are going till F. So B flat till F. So we're counting from B flat. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 means this is our, this is not 6, this is not 7, this is 1 2 3 4 5. So this is perfect fifth. See friends, I don't know why they have given this exercise, because till now you have learned, I think, major and minor second and third and sixth and seventh, but with the fifth and fourth, it's always perfect, remember. Okay, and perfect octave, you can go octave that as well. So this is perfect fifth. So if you check the distance also, this is 1 2 3 4 5, and this is as well from B flat. We see this is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so this is perfect fifth. Now let's move to the next one. This is our D to G. So from D to G. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 and this is our fourth, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is perfect fourth. Okay. This is perfect fourth. Again, see, they have perfect fifth, perfect fourth. Remember that. Okay. Now this is a unison interval because they are on the same note plane. Okay. Now this one, you say this is our E note and this is E as well. So this is a perfect octave, you can say, or a octave interval. So but we can say it's perfect octave, or you can say an octave interval. Okay. Now next one, let's go. This one is, you can see, a B flat, B flat, and this one is our C. So B flat to C, 1 and 2. So this is major second, major second. Okay, let's move on to the next exercises. So next, this one we have over here is, this is G and G to E. Let's go from G to E. So G to E, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 means this will be a major sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. Next we have, this is C and C to A. So C to A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means it's a major sixth. Okay. Here, this is our A to B flat. This is from A to B flat. This is only one semitone. That is a minor second. Okay. Next one we have this, we starting from E, E to C. So E to C, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is a minor sixth, because major 7 have major 6 has 9 semitones into it. Okay. Now here you can see this note is starting, the first note is higher and the second is so, but you make sure you count from here. So take this note for the starting point. So this is our F note, and F2 we're going F. So this is a perfect octave, or you can say an octave interval. So we'll write perfect octave. Okay. Now next one we have, the lower one is our A and A to E. So A to E, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our perfect 5. We don't need to count the semitone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, so this is perfect fifth. Yep. Next one we move. Next one we have, this is our B flat to C. So we can see B flat to C, 1 and 2 semitone. This is our major second. Next one we have bass clef. This is B to, we are going A sharp, right? So B, from B to A sharp. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? So this is major seventh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yes, this is our major seventh interval. Okay. Next one we have, again, this is the low note. So let's count from here. Take this one first. So this is our G and G to B flat. Yep. So G to B flat. So this is 1, 2, 3. This is our minor third. Okay. Let's move on. Next we have, this is our B note. We're going from B to E. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 semitones. That means this is a perfect fourth. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this is perfect fourth. Okay. Next, if we go, this is our G and G to E flat, right? Now if you go from G to E flat, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 means this should be a minor 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, this is minor 6 interval. Okay. This one is D. D to we go B. So from D to B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, so this is major sixth. Okay. Next one, we have E and E to this is C. So E to C, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means this is our minor sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6. So minor sixth. Okay. Next, this is unison. Okay. The last one we have, this is our F and F to E. So let's count from F to E. This is F to E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So 11, that means this is our major seventh. So here we finish our intervals. I hope you liked it and this helped you out to find out the intervals. How can we do the intervals? So please, if you like the video, please share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.